We rolled our Super C into the middle of a paramotor fly-in, and the next thing I knew, I'm in the sky. But first, we have to get Max out of the toy box, as it's a very tight fit. We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels. We roll, we camp, and yeah, we play. Let's get her going. Gotta back it out of the toy box. This will be our first camping trip since we brought Max home, and this will be our first time backing Max out of the toy box, and it's a very tight fit because we have to turn the RV immediately to keep it on the curved driveway. Once we sell the fifth wheel, Max will be over on the other side of the garage, so he'll have a straight pull-through in the future. Watch that mirror! Your mirror! There you go, into the guest parking spot. Damn, you're good. We are on our first real trip that we're going to be gone for several days. So we got all the food on board, all our clothes, everything we need is now on board. And we're going to a Bad Apples fly-in Andersonville, Georgia. So it's about a 4-hour trip. And we're going to stay there for 3 nights. Probably boondocking, actually. And we're going to meet up with some friends there. And we are in the new vehicle, Max, our Renegade Explorer. How's it going, Dave?
It's going.
Are you liking it so far?
I like it. Nice and easy ride.
I like being able to get up and go back there. Yeah, do stuff if I need to, or get something.
Or go potty.
Turn right on the road.
So as I mentioned, this is our first camping trip since we brought Max home, and we are going to be boondocking. That is, with no power, water, or sewer. So we're going to be using our generator, and we filled our water tanks before we arrived. That's a great thing about RVing. You can go to events and places to meet people and experience things you've never seen before. And this event was going to be one of them. So what is a Bad Apple fly-in? It is an international event for paramotorists. A paramotorist is someone who participates in the sport of paramotoring, also known as powered paragliding. They fly using a paraglider wing propelled by a motor, which is attached to their back. The motor provides the necessary thrust for takeoff and sustained flight, allowing pilots to fly at various altitudes and speeds, and offers a unique way to experience flight. We first saw this when a paramotorist was flying over Lake Lanier while we were beached out. We waved at him, and he landed on the beach and chatted with us about it. Dave fell in love with the idea and always wanted to check into this sport. So hey, why not go to a fly-in and check it out?
Let's see. We want to put the legs down. Tanks, house rear. Those are lights. That's electrical. That's temperature. That's the fans.
That's the slides and auto leveling. Okay, here we go. And auto level. Okay, so we're good. Okay. I haven't trashed anything yet, so I figured this is a good time to show you what the generator is going to sound like. So I've come over to the panel here, and generator start. And the generator is in this back corner near the bed. And then you can hear it turn down because there's nothing really requiring a lot of power right now. But I can run the AC now, I can run the oven, and we will be good as gold. And I can shut it back down again. Just like that push a button. We are at the Bad Apples Fly-In down in Andersonville, Georgia, near Americus. And we have probably close to 400 RVs here. I think this is going to be the largest event yet. They've had a number of years here. This is the field where they'll be taking off, but there's a lot of wind today. Got RVs on both sides all around. We are out here at the Fly-In with Terry and Nancy. Say hi, Terry and Nancy.
Hi.
And we're going to go down and check out the vendors over here.
There you go, Terry. For sale, low hours. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Lots of vendors.
Which one did?
There's the tandem one.
And you, the passenger, sit in the front, and you just lean your feet on the front pegs. You pull left, you go left, you softly release, you level out. Go right, that's it. And if you pull both, what does the horse do?
Stops.
Exactly.
You gotta squat down.
And this is one of the smaller tracks. We also have a bigger one.
Go. Okay. Good go. What's the button? Kill button?
Yeah. This is start. This is kill button. This is acceleration.
Yeah.
And this is your front foot brake.
Pond.
Balloon festival. They go up in the morning, do their thing, come back. Go up in the evening, do their thing, and come back.
That's how many people were there yet last night?
That was last night at one time.
Wow.
That's just the people with this app. There's other people that don't have this app.
Oh, no kidding.
They're a little bit more of a...
Wow. Nancy's gonna take a tandem ride. Have fun. But first you must sign the papers. Woohoo! it's my turn. This is Rick, my pilot, and he is from
Bradenton, Florida. Wauchula, Florida.
awesome.
Florida Flight Sports.
Now, from my perspective, unfortunately, Dave didn't get to take a ride, but we had a great time, great flights, and before we knew it, it was time to go home. Thanks for rolling with Watts on Wheels. Want to help our channel grow? Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell, or we'll come Jeep chasing ya. Hey, and leave us a comment. Even a quick hello makes our day. So roll, camp, play, and maybe fix something, and have a beer.